Hi guys, we're back with our weekly Wednesday washi tip, and this week we have a fun little hack as a way to add artwork to your bullet journal or your planner. All you need are these translucent sticky notes, which are for sale in our shop, and I used my iPad. You can also use a computer, and you'll just find an image that you like. I took a screenshot of it so that it would end up in my camera roll, and so I could adjust it and zoom in to the exact size that I wanted for the size of the sticky note. And then all you're gonna do is take one of the translucent sticky notes and lay it right on top of your iPad or your computer, and it almost acts as a light box right behind it so that you can trace the image. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I always wish I was an artist, and unfortunately I just cannot freehand drawings like this. It is just not a gift I was given. So this is a great little hack as a way to add artwork and designs that maybe you wish you were able to draw on your own, but you're not quite given that skill set. And of course, I do not condone stealing art. This is for personal use only, and I have actually credited the person below for this skull and flower drawing that I am using for my bullet journal. And after I finished tracing this, which it took me, I believe, 7 minutes when I don't speed up the camera here. So it's a really quick way to be able to add extra design to your bullet journal. And all you do is peel it up. How cool is this, guys? And it can go right into your journal as is. Of course, it's always nice to secure it with, you guessed it, washi tape, of course. So I usually pin down the top and the bottom, because once you start flipping through the pages and over time, the sticky note isn't going to hold up as well without it being secured with the washi tape. And of course, it's just another chance to add more pattern and fun images with our washi tape here. I hope you guys found this tip helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button, and you can subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date on all things washi tape, including DIYs and fun washi tips and tricks. We'll see you next week for another tip. Happy Washi Wednesday.